Morning, treasure hunters, thrill seekers and geocaches. I'm out by Water End Bridge in York. I've just done a cache, up there in that embankment, which I have to say is up there as one of my favourites. It was brilliant, and that was my 53rd find. And so I'm going to head back along down by the river. I believe there's another one down there, so let's get going and we'll have a look on the app, see where it is. It's a little bit blustery today. Apologies for any noise you might hear on the windy thingy. I have got a dead cat on the mic, but everything has its limitations. As you can see, I'm not that far away, only 100 metres or so, and we're down by the River Ouse. There's the bridge that I was by a few minutes ago. Let's just have another quick look on the app. So it's called By the River, appropriately. I sense something here. Gotta say, that was really quick and easy. The clue and the hint, absolutely superb. Here's the log, I fished it out. I'm not going to show you exactly where it is because I don't want to give the game away, but it is a really nice little cache, that one. It's a brilliant little hide, right in plain view, and I mean plain view. So we'll just sign this up. The hardest part about this one is getting the thing in and out with all the muggles passing. See what I mean? Well, I'll flip the camera around and show you where we're going. So I'm looking for this one called Mia's River Walk. As you can see, down by the river. I would have been out kayaking today, but it is, as I said earlier, it is blustery. Can you see that duck, Mart? Are you watching? There's a duck there. One of my subscribers who loves ducks. Yeah, so we're doing this Mia's River Walk. It's not that far away. Oh, look at the brightness of the sun up ahead, which is nice. 317 metres thereabouts. Let's get looking. So bright I've had to put my shades on. Of course, the other problem with these areas and these kind of caches is muggles. Morning. You just get a lot of people on these paths, especially on a relatively nice Sunday morning. Often wondered if I could launch from here. I'm just going to go and quickly check it out. You know, I could. Yeah, definitely. I could definitely get a kayak off there. And there's even somewhere to set it up. Hey, come on, this isn't a kayaking video. Not far to go. The hint is, have a sit down. Well, there's a bench there and a seat, but the arrow's not saying that, and there's a seat a bit further up. So I'm guessing it's there and it's going to be quite straightforward. It's recording. So the hint is, have a sit down, enjoy watching the river, the tourists, dog walkers, cyclists and boats. And cards on the table. I've got some coffee with me and stuff, but cards on the table. It is actually quite hard to do this one without it being a little bit of a spoiler. I'm not going to show you exactly where the cache is because I have just had a quick feel around. Sounds dreadful, some of the terminology. I've had a quick feel around, I've had a quick forage, and I've found it. So I'm going to have a coffee, I've got some biscuits. Oh look, and I've got a geocache. Well, isn't that a nice surprise? Good thing is, with the location for ones like this, keeps them nice and dry. Right. In fact, might as well use my phone. There's a little table. Hope you've liked this. I've had a really good run this morning. 28th of the 3rd, 21, empty jack. Right, okay. As I say, I've had a good run this morning. I've really enjoyed myself. It's been a while since I've done a bit of geocaching. I've been enjoying the kayaking in this, in what was better weather. It's just a little bit ropey today. Otherwise, I'd have been out on the boat again. Morning. And sorry, I was distracted by a pretty face there. Oh, I hope the lid's blown off. It's all right, got it. We're all good. We're all good. Completely got lost there. So yeah, if you've liked this, give the video a like, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It's up to you. And if you subscribe to the channel, YouTube will let you know, give you a little notification when you open it up. It doesn't cost you anything. Just lets you know when I've uploaded anything else. So if you're enjoying what I'm doing, kind of outdoorsy stuff, cleaning stuff, bit of a mixture, it's worth subscribing. I'll see you soon.